Hello! In this tutorial you will learn how to create Photoshop color effects created with gradient fills and gradient maps. I am Ivan Gromov for Envato Tuts Plus. First of all, we need to open the image. You could do it with Ctrl-O case combination. To create a color photo effect, we will use a gradient map adjustment layer. Go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Gradient Map. After I click on the gradient strip and use the following settings. Color 4A595F at 0 location and B A8254 at 100 location. Change the blending mode of the layer to color. So now we could start to create the light leaks. Go to Layer, New Fill Layer, Gradient. Use the following settings for this new layer. Style reflected. Angle -50.53 degrees. First color at 0 location. 89515E. Second color at 46 location. D26348. And for the last color at 100 location, F9F3B. And change the opacity of the last point to 100%. Change the blending mode of the gradient fill to lighten. After I create another gradient fill and use the following settings. Style reflected. Angle -160 degrees. First point at 26% with the following color. FD605B. Second point at 46%. Color 5, 3, 6, and 4. Create the last point at 76% location and use the next color code E05929. For the opacity points we will use the following settings. Location 0, opacity 0. Location 16, opacity 100. Next point location is 31 with 100% opacity. Another point 67 location and 100% opacity. Then one more point at 70 with 100% opacity. And for the last point we will use 73 location with 0 opacity. Change the blending mode of the gradient fill to lighten. And for the last light leak, let's create another gradient fill. Select linear as the style. Angle 140 degrees. Create the first point at the 0 location. Use 45453 code as the color. Create another point at 52 location and use the following color code D963 and 1. And for the last point we will use 100% location and D7983 color code. For the opacity points we will use next settings. first point at 23 with 100% opacity, second point at 27 location with 55% opacity, third point at 40 location with 100% opacity. The fourth point at 69 location with 55% opacity, and then create the last point at 90 location and use 100% opacity. Change the blending mode of the last gradient fill to lighten. And finally, to make our image look a little more faded, let's create another adjustment layer. Go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Exposure, and set the offset to 0.02. Our effect is ready. So, in this simple way, we can create a light leak Photoshop effect using gradient maps and gradient fills to achieve different color effects. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check our channel for more tutorials.